case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit heard the case of Teradyne Inc. v. Teledyne Industries Inc., which focused on the entitled recovery of a seller for a breached sales contract. Teradyne, a Massachusetts corporation, sued Teledyne Industries, a California corporation, under the UCC Section 2, 708(2), after Teledyne broke their sales contract. Although Teradyne's controller did not include all labor costs in the calculation of damages, the court agreed that Section 2, 708(2) applied to the case and ruled in favor of Teradyne. The case was remanded for further proceedings to determine the omitted labor costs and fringe benefits. Teledyne had canceled their order and offered to purchase a different system, but Teradyne refused, selling the original system to another buyer. The court held that Teradyne was not required to accept Teledyne's offer and vacated part of the judgment, sending the case back to the district court for determining further deductions and cost allocations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.